Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through simple mindfulness practices. You don't need any experience, you don't need anything special, and let's begin. Find a comfortable position, sitting in a chair with your back supported, cross-legged on the floor, or lying down, whatever feels right for you. Gently close your eyes, or soften your gaze downward toward the floor. Now begin to bring your attention to your breath, not your idea of breathing. Notice the in-breath and the out-breath, the rising and the falling. And try to follow one full cycle of the breath, and the very beginning of the in-breath all the way through, and then from the very beginning of the out-breath all the way through. Just be here with the breath. Now, as you continue, you'll notice your mind begins to wander. A thought arises, a sound, a memory, a plan for later. Where mouth happens, simply notice it. No judgment, no frustration. Take one final deep breath. Feel your body relaxed and grounded. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this calm awareness with you into the rest of your day.